Hi guys, this is Kimmie with Mindful Mane and Body Care, and today I'm going to show you how to apply plant-based henna dye to those resistant grays. And if you don't know how to prepare the plant-based henna, then check out my previous video on how to prepare plant-based henna dye. Okay, let's get started. Now let's get to these grays. And personally, I just scoop it on. And I'm only touching up the grays because that's just the new growth. That's one thing about the plant-based dye is it's you know, permanent. I don't have to go back over like commercial dyes. You know, I would have to cover everything. And just so you'll know also, if you don't have grays or your hair hasn't been colored, you know, to like bleached or lightened, henna will not, you know, you will not see the color of the henna. It'll just be a conditioning treatment. For the sake of not having any leftovers, I'm just put it all on. Because I do freeze this if I don't use it all. You know, it just depends on how much gray that you have to cover. And this was, again, 100 grams. Okay, and just let that sit. Take these gloves off. And then I just put a plastic cap over it. Now, if you have some chores you need to do around the house, this is the perfect time to do it. Okay, now that you have it in, let it sit for a few hours, and then I'll come back and show you the results. Hey everybody, this is Kimmie from Mindful Mane and Body Care, and I'm just coming back so you can see the results of the plant-based henna that I put in my hair. And this is the rich Auburn color, okay? And as you can see, it's total coverage. You know, all this was gray. It's total coverage. So if that's what you're looking for, and, you know, and like I said, if you don't have highlighted hair, you know, if it's not gray or if it's not blonde, then this will be more of a conditioner for you, like a deep penetrating conditioner. This is a plant-based product, so it's better for your hair than the commercial ones because, you know, they're using ammonias, peroxide, and, you know, that's really stripping everything out of the hair. So this is a much better solution for me. And, you know, if you're trying to do plant-based and stick with things that are more, you know, organic or straight from nature, then this would be a better option for you. So this product covered the gray. If you have a blonde hair or really light hair, colored hair, then this will definitely cover that as well. And if you have any other, you know, if you're in this shade of family as far as hair color, then this will just be an enrichment to that color, okay? But this is not like peroxide or ammonia that will strip and, you know, strip the natural color and highlight it to another level. You know, that's not what this does, okay? So just so you're aware of that. And like I said, this was all gray. Wherever you see this rich Auburn color was gray. Okay, so that's why it works great for me, because I want total coverage and I don't want to have to dye my hair every other week, you know, like I used to do with commercial, you know, dyes. And basically all I have to do is once my hair grows out, you know, a certain length, you know, as far as, and you can see the grays, then I'll just reapply it. So it just really depends on how quickly your hair grows, on how often you will have to touch up your roots. Okay? So that's it for now. Thank you for watching.